To protect our skin from UV rays, there are two main types of sunscreens for us to choose from. One is physical sunscreen and the other one is chemical sunscreen. Now, based on your life experience, let's make a quick guess. How do you think physical sunscreen works on our skin? Do you think it works like a mirror which can reflect the light away, or like a sponge which can absorb the light, or like a wall? Congratulations, your answer of mirror is correct. Physical sunscreens actually act like a mirror that reflects away the sunlight from our skin. They contain active mineral ingredients such as titanium dioxide or zinc oxide, which work by sitting on top of the skin to deflect and scatter damaging UV rays away from the skin. I am sorry that your answer is not the best one. Now, let me explain more details about how physical sunscreens work. Physical sunscreen is a substance composed of many flake particles. The active ingredients of those particles are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which work by sitting on top of the skin to deflect and scatter damaging UVA and UVB rays away from the skin. So, the correct answer should be a mirror. Physical sunscreens act like a mirror that reflects the sunlight away from our skin in order to protect our skin. Now, let's move on to the part of how chemical sunscreen works. Actually, chemical sunscreens work like sponge, which can absorb UV rays and convert them to other substances. Chemical sunscreen is composed of organic compounds with optical transparency, which can absorb sunlight and transfer UV rays into heat in order to protect our skin. So, this is how chemical sunscreen works. And here is a very decent chart which compares differences between how physical sunscreen and chemical sunscreen work. Now we have two questions about the comparison between physical sunscreen and chemical sunscreen, which can help you gain a deeper understanding about how these two kinds of sunscreens work. Which one do you think is better for your skin health? Chemical sunscreen or physical sunscreen? Congratulations, your answer of physical sunscreen is correct. As a blocker that reflects UV rays away, physical sunscreen is more separated from your skin and also doesn't generate other chemical substances which might be harmful. I am sorry that your answer is incorrect. Actually, physical sunscreen is better for our skin health. Here are some detailed explanations. Physical sunscreen is less likely to cause a staining irritation on the skin. Also, it is better for those with heat-activated skin since it deflects the heat and energy away from the skin. Besides, it is less likely to be pore clogging, making it ideal for acne-prone skin. However, as for chemical sunscreen, it is more likely to cause many skin health problems. The next question is, which one feels better to use, chemical sunscreen or physical sunscreen? Congratulations, your answer of chemical sunscreen is correct. Chemical sunscreen tends to be thinner and therefore spreads more easily on the skin. I am sorry, the correct answer is not physical sunscreen. Physical sunscreen can rub off, sweat off, or rinse off easily. It also may leave a whitish cast on the skin. However, chemical sunscreen tends to be thinner and therefore spreads more easily on the skin. So the correct answer is chemical sunscreen.